So I ended up breaking this bolt that was holding a very important part on my car's engine. I'm gonna show you what I end up using and what actually ended up working to remove this broken bolt. So this bolt was actually holding a timing chain tensioner. This tensioner right here, once I took the cover off, I realized that this bolt was loose and it should have been tight. Shortly realizing after that, that bolt actually broke. So in order to get to that broken bolt, I had to remove the crankshaft pulley. Now, after removing this crankshaft pulley, it did allow me to have a little more space to get to it, but it was still super tight. So initially I ended up using these tools. This is a Titan center punch and a reverse drill and screw extractor kit. So first I'm using this center punch, right? And you use a center punch to get a hole started in that bolt. You need to put it in the center of the bolt and use that puncher to basically initiate a hole. So next you take a drill bit. In my case, I'm using a reverse drill bit. So I tried drilling it in the center as much as possible, but due to the tight space and the angle, it was very hard to do. Now, with that being said, this is what happened. It broke. It broke. Since that one broke, which was the smaller size, I went to the next size up. I tried using this bit extender, and yeah, it really didn't work out well. The bits were too small for that bit extender, and this is what ended up happening. That one broke. Since those were the only two drill bit sizes I can use for this particular bolt, I end up getting a regular drill bit. This drill bit actually worked better, a lot better. I didn't have to use the extender, and it actually started drilling into that bolt a lot better than the reverse drill bits, as you can see. But I wasn't fully satisfied, so I got a larger size, just a little bit larger or wider than the previous one. Started drilling into it. I think that helped a little bit more to widen it, but not too wide to where I was drilling into the threads. So after using those bits to drill that hole, this is what that hole actually looks like now. That's the actual bolt, and that's the hole inside of that bolt that I was drilling to make. Now, with that being said, it was kind of at an angle, but I actually did good to keep it straight as I could with the limited amount of space I had. So I took this extractor from the set and I tried to use it to remove that bolt. Now, little did I know, it actually did turn that bolt a little bit, as you can see. I couldn't see it though when I was using it. So I ended up using another tool. This actually popped in my head. I'm like, you know what, let me try this. So I ended up grabbing a torque bit. So I was like, you know what, it got ridges on it. Let me see. So I put that thing on there and started turning it. It's turning. It's turning. And voila. OMG. You just don't know how happy I was to see that thing turning. So to remove my particular bolt, it was a T15. That was a bit size that I used. Now, with that being said, you know, you can, based off the size of yours, you can adjust accordingly, right? You can get a bigger or smaller size. But the T15 was the winner for me. And now my challenge was, can I get this bolt out without dropping it? So I tried to use this little thing to kind of keep it from falling down, but that didn't work. It wasn't enough space for me to turn it. I tried and I tried. I turned it, I almost got it off, and then this happened. I got it out, but it dropped in the engine. So it ended up dropping on the bottom of the engine into the oil pan. All right, here's the good news. We got it out. Just had to open the oil pan up. Reach my hand in there, and I got it out. It don't look like I drilled in the thread on the outside, so that's good. This is the other end. So for me, the regular drill bits and the T15 was a lifesaver. That was what was able to get my broken bolt removed. So if you got value out this video, show some love and smash the subscribe, like, and bell notification to get the latest HE content. And if you like this video, definitely check out the next video.